Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add payment method on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app, then click on the profile section on the lower right corner. So once you're here, you're going to scroll upwards and click on account settings. Then here you're going to click on payments. Again here you're going to click on payment methods. So you're going to click on add payment method to add your payment. So you can use either your credit or debit card or PayPal. So you're going to insert your card number, your zip code, as well as your country or region. So once you're done, you're going to click on done. Then your payment method will be added there. So you guys can make payments from now on. So this is how you basically do it. Then you guys could check their offers as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.